Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Selpon. So in this video I have shown how to zip a file or many file, and we will zip it and respond to the client using the Java Spring Boot REST API. So you can see that the video I have shown here is about the import data into the Excel file, and if you want zip the Excel file into the zip file, so I will show it. So this video also using the code of this video, and you can clone this code from the GitHub and coding like me. So now let's start from the IntelliJ. You can see here. See here is the code I also clone from the GitHub. So for the first, you can see here is the code for the Excel file, and we also return the return the bit array input string. But you want to zip file, you must return the file and use the zip function to zip file. So, but firstly, I will introduce the zip many file into the local, into the server in your computer. So, in the customer service here, I will add new function to customer service here. Here for the list file. Here list file, REST file from the server here, and as new file here, and in the customer service implement, we will implement methods and from file here. So I think I have provided some the file here for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and customer import the file here. So I will go back to the code here. I will add new private list file, file from the computer here, and you can see we can add new files. For example, equal new as a list, and the file here we will add a new file. File 1 equal new file, and you can see here is a file from my computer, and I will show the property here for this apps and dash template. Here is a path to store this file, and I go back to the code here. I will copy here. I will copy this file here, and now I will get the name is file 1.png and 2.png. So here 1.png, and so I will get the name here 1.png here. I will copy the name and go back to the code here, and I will duplicate this application file. We have file 2, file 3, file 4 and Excel file. And you can see here for the 2, for the 3, for the 4 and the name of the Excel file is customer export here. We copy all the name and I will go back to the course. Here is the customer import and I will return result here. And for the lead file here, we will get the file from the computer. And here we will have the file. We also have the file here. So I think result.s we add file 1. We copy here. Add file 2. Yes, file 2, file 3, file 4 and Excel file. We will add to the result list and we return to the file to zip own zip file into the zip file. So we go back to the customer controller here. The code here we also have the import, and now we will also new method to zip the file. Here we will pass mapping and the value for the path to the URL is zip, and we must provide the producer here is apply creation as zip. Here we will public list public response entity. Here streaming results report body here and save file, and we will throw the exception here, and here we will get the list file. So here I think zip file from local from server. Read file here, file equal customer service dot get file from server, and we add the header, the body and the return type to the response body. Response entity does okay, does the header. We must set the header here in the content. Is position and its position and the header value, and the header value is the attachment and comma and the file name, and we provide file name equal result file here, that's zip here, and the body here is a false output here, I think false output run zips post stream equal new zips post stream here for the improvise output here, and here package file. Here we will set string file name already, file name address equal new the asset here, and we must import the library collection sets here, and we must for the file we will for using the for loop to the zip file here, for the file here So yeah, new zips and chain and copying input stream is fine, and after that close stream. Yeah, and zips upstream does. So here is file name already as does content is fine, content new, content file does guest name. So if the file name here we also here the file name don't content file, because we will add the zip file, we will zip all the set file here, and if the file name contains the file, and then we don't put the zip file, because we zip the only unique file. Here zip output entry dot post make entry new zip entry files dot guest name, and after that we will find input stream. From input stream we could need find input stream, and we also add the file here. And so the next after we have created the new file input stream, we will use the library IOUtil of Aperture Point library to copy the result from the file input stream to the zip output stream. IOUtil Aperture Point does copy. We will copy from the here input stream to the zip output stream here, file input stream, zip output stream here, and file input stream after that we will close, and zip output stream close, and file name at least does plus the files dot guest name here. And after here, after we also all this to the zip file, and we will zip output stream dot close. So now I will run the function here, run the project and test the function to zip file. So you can see project had run successfully. So now I will attach the method zips here. So the server starts from localhost dot 80 here, customer dot zip. Here customer dot zip here. I will send a request for the post method here, and you can see we have the file at here, and now we will send a request to the server. You can see we have successful. You can see, so I think stream cloud and stream cloud here. So I think we will must use the close entry, not close all the zip file. Now we will restart again. Here start successfully, and I go to the postman and test here. So you can see the server has run successfully, and from the output here we will save upon to the file. You can see here is the name is the result file dash zips, and I will save it. I go to the downloads here. You can see the result file also has a zip file, and I will extract the result file here. So you can see after I extract the result file, we also have the file for the 1, 2, 3 file and customer import. So we get so now I will delete this. So you can see that we will zip many files here, and we also zip the one file. So one file you only add it to the one time. So now for here you can see you can get. So we want to import data from the database into the Excel file, and then we want to zip this file and report to the client. So now we merge. So now we will do it. So you can see the Excel util here. The Excel util here is a method for the import the customer here, and as you can see in the database we have the customer from the we have we have the 4 customer here for the data from the database, and the code is also connect to the Excel Spring Boot web API here, or table Excel Spring Boot web API here. And now we will import 4 data from the database into the Excel file, and we will zip it into the zip file. So now the firstly for the zip, you can see for the zip file we must return the file and then zip it. So for the method import customer is not return the file, it returns the bit array position. So now we will change this method to return the file. So I think we will as new the method for the, so to do this we will change some method here. Private static void process insert data here. We will provide the workbook here and provide the list customer here to insert the data customer into the workbook. So here, so I will as new the method here. We will as new the method to firstly list find zips Excel file from the database here. So for this method here we will, so I think we will, so here, so I think, so now here, and in the method here I will implement the method, and this method here I will list customer here, customer repository that's file. We will find all the customer here, and for the string file name, we have the file name right here equal customer import here. So we will plus with dash XLSX file for the graphic and for the specific file, and list the file here, result file equal Excel util dot res file Excel 0 store data from database. So we will provide the customer list and find it here. So we will return the list file here, and we will add the new the method get file store Excel store data from the database. Here we create the method here, and in this method, so in this method here we will also provide the XS app workbook equal new the workbook here, and find and child case exception E here. So find equal resource util dot get file from the past template here plus with file name here. The template is from the apps not template here, and with the cat here we will log those info file not file, and also we find that create equal file factory dot create the file. So for the target here, if the file is not found, we will create a new file. It's the target exception here, and for the file here. So now because the method import customer here also use the method to store to insert to import the customer data from the database, and then we must refactor this method to for control function can use it. The first thing we will process the insert data here. So for the process insert data here, we will cut it from here, and we will cut it here. So after we cut it here, we put it to the process insert data here. So this method is responsible to insert data from database into the workbook, and another method here, and from the import customer here we will process insert data in the workbook here, and find it here. So here is the file. Insert data here. So I think here is a customer. Here the method to process the insert data, and here. So and in the method, so I will move this method into the top. Yeah. And we move the method into the top here. For the method get file store, we will also the method process insert data for the profile workbook and the customer here. So here the method we will process insert data, and after we insert data here, we will add file to the Excel file output stream here, output stream new output stream here, provide file here, and workbooks dot write to the file output stream, and list the file result equal to other list, and so result dot add the file here. We will return the result here, So you can see in this method we also get the file at here and get the file from to template to insert, and here we insert later into the workbook, and we will from the workbook we write to the file and return file to the method to zip file. So now into the customer service implement here, we can see that we also get the file at here. We read the file, and in the customer controller here, I will copy this and shift here var2, and we in zip file from the database, zip file store data from database here, and we also find equal zip Excel file from database here, and we also to rename here is Excel customer dash zip here. So it is the same. So now I will pass for the zip function here. Restart project again. And we go to the postman. You can see here is a zip var2, and here for the import I will tag the two function, and for the here I must for the import here I will set here we got method here for the import is rest. You can see the server run successfully, and now I will set to that one file customer import, and go to here you can customer import with the two data for data here. So now we will go back to the code and change to the zip var2 and save. For the method is a post. You can see that the server also runs successfully, and now go back to the postman and we set the port to the file. You can see Excel customer.zip. I save here. The file name is Excel customer.zip, and I go to the file. Here you can see I will extract to Excel customer.zip here. You can see customer import. It is the same. It is the same here. Customer plus import, and customer plus import, and customer plus customer under from the import here. You can see we also we can. So you can see that we have successfully zip file, store the Excel, store the image, or anything else we can zip. So here I also post my code into the GitHub. If you have any question or any error, you can send me the message via Facebook with the official page in Learn with Sao Code. And thank you for watching.